Welcome to Ramco TV. My name is Drew Mallonee and I'm one of the automation specialists at Ramco. Today, we'll be taking a look at software feature in the Omron TM series collaborative robot, the Pallet Node. The Pallet Node can be utilized in a variety of ways such as assembly, loading and unloading, machine tending, and of course, palletizing. Let's take a look on how easy it is to set this up. The Pallet Node is a drag and drop feature in the TM Flow software. Once you drag it into your sequence, a pop-up will automatically appear on the screen and walk you through the setup of the pallet feature. We'll start off your program choosing a base setting you would like to utilize. For example, selecting a vision base using the TM landmark feature. Choose what pattern you would like to use. The two options here will be parallel and zigzag. This choice is mainly dependent on your application and tooling. The robot uses a 3-point method to establish the window of the pallet. Point 1 will be the starting point of the first row, and it also determines the robot posture. So make sure you have the end of arm tooling in the posture that you would like to use throughout the pallet process. Point 2 will be the end point of the first row, and point 3 will be the end point of the last row. Insert the number of rows and columns that you would like to have in your pallet process. Insert the number of layers and the thickness in millimeters of your product. Now select the direction of the pallet. This lets the robot know if it needs to start the bottom layer and stack the product, or the top layer and unstack the product. For more precise positioning, you can add the payload of the product. This will be added into your initial payload when the product is on the robot. The pallet is now created, and the software will automatically create a set of variables so that you can monitor which row, column, and height is connected to the pallet movement position. With built-in digital and analog signals right at the head of the robot, and plug-and-play options available, the TM series allows for many options at the end of arm tooling. For additional information on Omron TM series of collaborative robots, or to see how it can help solve your robot applications, visit us at ramcoi.com. Leave any questions you have in the comments section. If you liked this video or found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.